And let's start the fun.
He's opening the chocky bar. Anybody that wants to get hold of one of these, they are available in small numbers on the League of Fire website, or you can get them from Wine Pete's.
I think all Agnes
and the old Agnes store also sell them.
And Heating Up the Capital, Heiko has them.
Heiko, Heating Up the Capital.
I should take gloves for it.
Couple of fans here saying, good luck, Les. You got this, bud.
Whoa.
I have to stop bringing comments up, otherwise I'm going to end up knocking your chocolate bar off. I'm just going to remove our names.
Okay. So it's on picture.
There we go. Right, unlock the timer.
That was Stuart Tarnas, that last comment.
So, it's a 15-minute challenge, 10 minutes to eat the bar, 5 minutes as an afterburn. But you get bonus points if you can eat it under 3 minutes.
No.
Are you ready, dude?
Yeah.
3,
let's do it.
2,
Cheers.
1, chomp. James Garrett says that jam is so tasty. You don't need to talk because you're going for time. Kevin Tilley says, good luck, Les. Jim Dervish, enjoy, my brother.
It's not as hot as Moab.
Much easier to chew.
Nicer tasting too.
Nicer tasting too.
Yeah. Much nicer tasting.
There's a large fan club growing up behind this raspberry rain.
James Nixon says, in a few weeks' time, I need to try mine and beat 3 minutes.
Stuart Tarnas, it's one of the tastiest challenges.
Yeah,
Jem's saying the heat does come a little later, Les.
They're all pulling in with James.
Yeah, they're all picking on James, saying that if he does this, it'll take him 3 weeks.
No, Kaylee said James said he was going to do it in under 3 minutes. Then Kaylee said he'd missed the 3 off, so he meant 33 minutes. And then Kev's saying 3 weeks. With James.
I'm reading it.
Les looks like he's right enjoying that, doesn't he?
He does, considering he doesn't like ones with fruit fillings.
It's yummy. It's really, really yummy. It's nice.
I think they might have converted them.
The raspberry rain is a movie chocolate. It's one a Moab you could never have a snack on. It's horrible. Where that one you could snack on and enjoy. Or I think you could anyway.
Some people actually do like the Moab.
It's horrible.
Les one of them. In fact, Les has bought himself a Moab just to sit and enjoy while he's watching TV.
That's not normal.
He has one, he's bought one just to do that.
That's not normal.
Well, there you go. Told you, some people do.
That's not normal.
Everybody's different.
Most definitely. I don't like the taste of them all. If you haven't noticed, I don't like it.
You've got a point there, Curly. This is probably one of those challenges that you could probably beat the 3 minutes. It's chocolate and it's filled with jam and you love both.
Mm. Yeah, I'm getting behind little James because he's going to be the fastest on the planet. He's going to be 2 minutes 20 and he's going to scran it dead quick. Yeah.
At the speed Les checks going, he's going to get a great time.
Oh yeah, if he was a little bit faster, he'd got that under 3 minutes, wouldn't he?
His goal was 7 minutes, so we'll see.
Oh, he's going to smash that. He's only got one piece left, hasn't he?
No, he's still got another 2.
The 2 hiding near the top left.
Kaylee's now thinking about ordering one. You best be quick, Kaylee, because usually when one of these videos goes out on a Raspberry Rain, they soon sell out too.
I don't know if they've got any in. I'm sure I've seen a post.
There is one in the big shop.
One now. There's one left. It's all that Jem Dervish's fault because he keeps posting them in.
Pardon me. I've got the hiccups for Les. I'm nice like that.
Coming up to the 5 minute mark. Now. So to hit your target, you got 2 minutes to eat what's left.
There is one in stock.
There's one in stock, that's what Les has just said.
Yeah, there's one in stock.
I think Kaylee's gone to go and grab that.
Kids start to building a little bit.
So Jem says it does come a little bit later.
Yeah.
That was alright with the raspberry rain. Oh, my laptop's frozen. Hang on, I'll be back.
Doing great there, Les. Just keep chewing.
You're doing amazing, buddy! Died.
1 minute to beat your 7. Carolina is asking, where is your hiccups?
Maybe we will see them.
We've got somebody that agrees with you. There's somebody else here says, I want to try this, but I don't like jam.
Jamie Bolton. Is that right?
Stu Walk says, you've got this, Les. Remember to say ah.
It's going to be harder.
Seven minutes. Brilliant, isn't it, Jem? Jem's just saying he likes your paper tissue placemat. Lifts the plate up and it gives him tissue. And he licked the lid alive. At 7:25. So
the last one.
Let's check the hiccup has just taken my other little nickname, lick the lid.
Oh. It's hitting on end of the tongue. Eyes are watering. And nose.
Why haven't you turned the timer off?
So the heat did come up.
Huh?
Pardon?
Why haven't you turned the timer off?
Because he's got to go 15 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
He's going for his full points.
Yeah, because he's done, yeah. You get 5.
And you get 5 points if you last to the 15 minutes.
Yeah. I remember now.
Gareth Havard says, great job, Les.
Yeah, 15 minutes shouldn't be a problem.
So what did you think of the flavour in the end?
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's really nice. It tastes more fruity than the taste of the Reaper.
Oh, so you can actually taste the fruit pretty well still.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was my problem. I love raspberries and you can taste it. Raspberries are the best.
Kaylee has bought the last raspberry rain, so no, it is gone.
Yeah, Kaylee's bought the last raspberry rain and me and James are arguing who's going to read it
Enjoy
for
the
me
taste.
or it.
She hasn't even got it delivered yet, and James and Adela trying to get it off her.
And how much worse is Chili Cherry Nightmare than this? Twice?
The Chili Cherry Nightmare is pretty much a solid block of chocolate with chunks of dried cherries and dried Reaper infused along the inside of it. So
Awful.
it's
But
a
what's the heat
lot.
on it?
It's hotter than the Moab and hotter than that.
Yeah, but
But
twice.
It's hard to
3
chew
times.
because of the hard bits of fruit in it.
That's what does. It's more the fact that it's solid chocolate with them bits in it. It's hard to chew.
So
But yeah,
like the
it's-
toffee in Moab.
It's not as chewy as the Moab, it's just a lot of chocolate. Doesn't look like the Chili Cherry Nightmare will be a problem for you, though.
It will be problem later.
I think that's for everybody, though.
Yeah, Moab
Stu
was
says
okay.
it's not twice as hot, it's just a little bit hotter.
There
Oh,
you go. Just a little bit hotter.
so that's okay. This is not the Nemesis level yet.
You've done 1 minute of your afterburn time.
It's hitting my stomach a little bit.
It's hitting the stomach. Jem did say that the heat does rise up a little bit as it goes on.
He's nearly
It's
done though.
not-
What time's he on?
It's not that much. It's 5, maybe 4.5.
James Garrett's got
Okay.
one of these.
No, James.
Now he's got a
Garrett's
Chili
got
Cherry
Cherry
Nightmare, so expect to see a Chili Cherry Nightmare from James Garrett.
Yeah, I have one too.
Ooh, we've got a duo.
With pleasure.
James's Garrett is debating whether to do a Chili Cherry Nightmare a V1 tomorrow. He's not sure.
I have same problem. I have 5 V1s and 1 Chili Cherry Nightmare. I don't know from which to start. Or maybe
You-
Chili Cherry Nightmare and V1.
You might have to have a little chat with James Garrett there.
I was
Jim
thinking
says
about
Chili
V1
Cherry
today.
Nightmare is about a six or a 7 on a heat scale.
So closer to Tube of Terror.
I wouldn't have said it was as hot as a Tube of Terror, but
Tube was about 8, so 6, 7, little less. That's okay. It just good heat to burn, but not enough to kill it, to kill me.
yeah, there's a good reason that Tube of Terror comes with 7 points. It's
Yeah.
James Nixon says, "Don't waste time on a Chili Cherry Nightmare. Get straight onto the Nemesis."
Oh, no.
I'm scared of that one.
Chili is first.
I agree.
Nemesis maybe in summer.
Grandpa Stu says a Chili Cherry Nightmare is below a tot in heat.
Yep.
Oh,
And we didn't get one sign of a hiccup.
That's because he's hardcore now.
hey, not today.
Not today.
Probably. Because it's still building inside of me.
You're in your last minute now.
Yeah, it's hitting me really good, really strong. Yeah, I want milk. I want milk.
So the stomach's now saying, give me that milk.
Yeah.
Not long now.
James Garrett says Les checks past the hiccups onto him.
30 seconds.
James has started hiccuping.
$20. Patrick says, almost there, bro.
Yeah, so innocent beginning, and now it's hot.
10.
Oh.
3, 2, 1. Boom.
5 points.
Woo, woo.
Yeah.
Well done, dude. Raspberry Rain, beaten and completing.
Beaten and completed.
Oh, mine's frozen again.
Kaylee Smith there says, awesome, dude. Smashed it.
Really nice.
Oh,
Really nice challenge.
So the fruit and the chocolate wasn't too bad after all.
Yeah, it was okay.
Well, congratulations, dude. More points in the bag. I think that was 5 for that one.
Yeah. So now I'm in the first 40.
In the top 40
Yeah.
and climbing. Well done.
what time did he get?
Okay.
I can't remember now.
Ah,
We'll have
Okay.
to watch it back and grab it. I'll say see you later. I'm
Thank
going
you
to go
very
and get on to the next stream. Bye
well done,
bye.
Les.
That was Leszek Mackay from Poland. Just completed his very first Raspberry Rain. He's basically taken on all the League of Fire challenges one by one until he's done them all. So we'll see more of them soon. As you heard, he's got a Chili Cherry Nightmare coming up shortly. I'm going to get out of here because Adele and Patrick Weiss has got something else coming up in a little bit. So see you in a bit, guys.